Alright, this video tutorial will give you a clear understanding of how to use our tab Order Food. So if you're into restaurant and if you're running a restaurant and you want to manage your food ordering in our mobile app, then this is a tab that will be very helpful for you. So once you come to this tab, what you need to do is that you will see the first thing, which is order service. So you have custom, you have my check, onlineordering.com, you have O&O, you have Eat24, Grubhub, Seamless, and then you have a few other brands. All these are third-party vendors whereby if you have accounts with them, you can just select that and you can actually import it inside here. But I'm just gonna go with you on how to use our own custom order form. So when you come to custom order, you click edit. And the menu category will open up. Once the menu category opens up, what you do is that you add new category. So you name the category here. I'm going to call this as Western. And then I'm going to leave this active and I'm going to save this. So now I've created a category. Now what I do is that I add an item to this category. So in the add an item, you see I have all these informations, and I click on add new item, and here I'll name the item. For example, I'll name it as chicken chop, for example, and then you type in the description of your meal. For example, whether is it halal or like what is it made out of, what is the ingredient. You know, if you're into the restaurant industry, you should know. You type in the price here, for example, $9. Tax exemptable, whether it's tax exempted or not, then take it off. And then you can upload images of this meal, whatever image that you have. I'm just going to add in this image for now. Or you can type in a URL of the image. And here you come in and you can specify the availability, if it's opening time or when it's available from. Is it a breakfast? So if it's available in the morning time, you type in the morning time, and you give it a specific time on date. Or if it's lunch, then you work accordingly. So I'm just gonna go any open time for this. And then sizes, you can add in the sizes and prices accordingly. So you can go for quantity, so you can go for like 2 or 3 or 4. That is up to you. And this is options, so you can have options as well if you want to add in the minimum charges and everything. So once you've done all this, you can save and your order will be saved, so customers can basically make this order. So this is how you basically add in items inside your food ordering tab. So once you've done that, if you come here, it will appear here what are the tabs, and you see here there's one category and one item. So you can add in more categories and you can add in more information. And here you type in restaurant information, so the name of your restaurant, cuisine, and all the other information, service details, what are the charges like, date and time, when is it open, PayPal payment. This is very important. So if you have a PayPal type, then you edit it and you type in your PayPal information in here, and then the payment will be directed via PayPal. If it's cash, you can either type in, you can enable cash or disable cash. But if it's PayPal, you stick to PayPal. And then you have tax widget. You can add in the tax if you want, and other information you can actually add it in here. So these are the confirmation email. So here you can edit this. So when they place the order, whatever confirmation email that you want to have, it will go here, the subject, and these are all the query. So the order created, all these things, you leave it as it is, because these will be all auto-filled on the quantity they updated, and then it will be sent to the customer. Once they have paid, they made the order. And you can actually receive it in here on what are your orders that came in. So I hope you found this tab useful. Just play around with this tab. It's not a complicated tab. It just has a lot of features So if you're inside the restaurant business, I think it should be you will be able to get your hands around this tab. And if you have any other questions about this tab, feel free to give us a call or drop us an email. Thank you for watching our video tutorial.